Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. I know that your panels have been installed for around 2 years now. Can you share with us the difference you've seen in your utility bill so far?
The difference has been huge. We live in a 2,700 square foot house. Our utility bills in the summer would run up to $600 a month. And in the spring and fall would be, $300 to $400. My last bill was $60. Some of the summer, when we have full sun, we've actually gotten money back from the utility because our panels were sending out more than we were using. So it's been a great benefit.
That's amazing. Now, can you share with us why you decided to go with Green Home Systems out of all of the other solar companies?
Well, I had been looking into it for several years on and off, and I'm an engineer, and I like math, and I had reached out to several different companies, and I'd gotten calls from I don't know how many companies, and they would give me the really sleazy sales pitch, but wouldn't give me the numbers. And that's what I needed. And your sales team actually sat down with me for about an hour. I think it was over 2 days, actually, and went through all the numbers with me and how it could benefit my bills and how to take advantage of the solar credits from the federal government. And my state has credits too. And once we got done, it made sense to do. So we went ahead and did it. And I'm very glad we did.
So are we. That's fantastic. And can you share with us on that note how the customer service experience has been like for the past 2 years?
It's been really good. The app that y'all provide that allows me wherever I am to pull up my solar panels and look and see how they're producing is really helpful, especially because ours are located away from our house. You can't even see them from the road. People don't even know we have them. But it does mean that the weeds get a little out of hand there occasionally, and I need to go up and check on things and make sure that, no tall grass is blocking anything. So that's very helpful. I've gotten check-ins probably every 6 months or so. Somebody from your company will call me up and see how things are going. And I had an issue earlier this year where I had one panel that was not working quite right. So they reset the whole system and got it was back up and running just the way it was supposed to. So it's been really good.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time today and sharing out your really great feedback. We definitely appreciate it.
Oh, I appreciate you guys. You've done a really good job. I've been very happy with getting the solar panels.
Amazing.